Hello, this is Will Harold, the Energy Hunter with Akashic Intelligence, the original AI. And as I stand here today, we're going to be doing a Walter Russell discussion tomorrow regarding the different polarities and how they manifest in nature from heat to cold and back again on their journey. As I look at this riverbank that is iced over, you can see the droplets of water that are beginning to melt and run underneath the ice. As they follow the ice underneath, as you can see, these streams almost look like beings that are trying to find their way back to source, back to the river from which they came. It's an analogy of us as humans that derive from source, like the river, turn to solid, like the ice. This is called gravitation and radiation. This is for the words of Walter Russell. Gravitation is heat, and radiation is cold. So as the ice gets cold, it becomes a solid, and then as it begins to melt, it becomes water again as the radiation takes place. And as it then falls into the stream, it will then evaporate and return back to source.